Hello students. In this video, we're going to dive into something super interesting that we see every day, shapes. First up, we have shapes that only have length and width. These are called plane figures, or you might hear them called two-dimensional figures. They can be made up of straight lines, curved lines, or even a mix of both. For example, squares, circles, and triangles. Now, next to shapes that have length, width, and height, we're stepping into the world of solid figures. These are three-dimensional shapes, like cubes and spheres. They're a bit more exciting because they have depth, so they can have flat surfaces or even curved ones. Speaking of solid shapes, polyhedron is a fancy word for a shape with flat faces, straight edges, and sharp corners, which we call vertices. There are three parts to a polyhedron. The face, which is the flat surface of the shape. The edge, where two faces meet. And the vertex, the point where the edges come together. In polyhedrons, there's a special rule called Euler's formula. V plus F equals E plus 2. Here, F is the number of faces, V is the vertices and E is the edges. Now, let's imagine you could open up a 3D shape like a box. What you'd see is called the net of that shape. It's like a flat layout showing all the sides of the shape unfolded. It's a great way to understand what the 3D shape looks like from all angles. You can also visualize solid shapes by looking at them from different views, like the front, side, or top. Now, next is symmetry. It is when a shape looks the same on both sides. Imagine folding or rotating a shape and having it line up perfectly. A line of symmetry is just an imaginary line that splits a shape into two identical halves. Then, there's rotational symmetry. This happens when you can spin a shape and it still looks the same at certain angles. For example, a square looks the same when you turn it 90 degrees. Now here's a question for you. What kind of figures have only length and width? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.